In this video, you will learn how to watch a Patreon video on TV, log into your Patreon on your phone or computer, sign into your Patreon account using your preferred device, open the video you want to watch, find and play the Patreon video you want to view on a larger screen, use a screencasting or AirPlay, cast your screen from your phone or computer to your smart TV using Chromecast, AirPlay or a similar feature. Connect with a HDMI cable if this doesn't work. Plug in your device into the TV using a HDMI cable for stable viewing options. Adjust the video settings. Set your volume, resolution and playback options. For your best viewing experience on TV. Enjoy watching on your TV. Sit back and relax and watch your Patreon content comfortably on your television. Now you know how to watch a Patreon video on your TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.